Hey guys, I'm Max.
And I'm Emily, and we're Max&Em Travels.
So we're in Sydney at the moment, and last night we stayed at the Citadines Connect Sydney Airport Hotel, and we worked with them and created a video, so check it out.
But now we're heading to Melbourne for a few days for an adventure. So let's go.
So we've made it to the airport, and the reason why we were going to Melbourne is to shoot an event for a company in Melbourne, but it's cancelled because the weather in Melbourne today is meant to be pretty shit. So now we've got 5 days to adventure around Melbourne and explore what Melbourne has to offer, so we're pretty keen. We've touched down in Melbourne, and now we're going to go find Jared and Brooke, our mates that we met in Europe, who are picking us up, and they live in Melbourne, and we're going to be exploring Melbourne with them. It's called fun. Our bag is right there. Day one of our Melbourne trip, and we're currently in the city with our friends Jared and Brooke.
They're showing us around the top spots in Melbourne.
Let's check it out. So we just did a photo of jumping off those two boxes, and it came at a little bit of a cost, splitting my pants. But we got this shot.
So it's day 2 in Melbourne. We've come out to the Black Spur. It's a nice little scenic drive with all these tall trees and ferns. It's just started raining, which is good because we just finished up some footage. Can't wait to show you.
The drive's about an hour and a half out of Melbourne, so it's not too far, but get your road trip.
Oh, look here!
It is seriously incredible here, like how big the scale of all the trees are above us. And the ferns and the trees are super green, which makes for some super sick photos on the drone once we get it up. We finished at the Black Spur, and now we're heading to the Redwood Forest in Melbourne, so let's check it out. Alright, so we've made it to our final destination of today's adventure in Melbourne, and we're at the Redwood Forest.
We finished up today's adventure. So tomorrow we're going to hit up the Great Ocean Road, go see the 12 Apostles, and see what else we can find.
Let's do it. We've made it to the 12 Apostles on our first stop along the Great Ocean Road.
We've been so lucky. It's a quiet day today. There's not that many tourists, so there's a lot of opportunities for us to get some good content.
Usually it's extremely packed, and especially along this area you struggle to move even to get a photo.
It's beautiful blue sky, and the ocean is so blue today. It looks amazing. We just finished up at London Bridge, the Arch and the Razorback, and we're now at the Grotto. We walked down a lot of steps, but we got there, it was really beautiful, and now we're back off.
We got a bit of an Instagram versus reality situation here with the Great Ocean Road sign, and then we got a bit of a line up for the photo. And just like that, our time here in Melbourne has come to an end. We're back at the airport, heading home.
We want to thank Jared and Brooke, our friends we met on Katiki, for having us for the week and showing us around Melbourne.
We hope you guys enjoyed the video and the photos, and just remember to like, subscribe and comment.
See ya.